one of the most important things that you have to do is an ultrasound, because we need to know how far along pregnant you are. But not only that, in South Africa, you can only legally terminate until 20 weeks pregnancy. After 20 weeks, it's no longer legal. But the backstreets usually don't even care how far along you are. Because Mina, you can call me and say you want to terminate. I'll ask you how far along are you? And you're like, I'm 6 weeks. I don't just take that. I still need to confirm with an ultrasound. And sometimes you'll say you're 6 weeks, and when you get to the scan, you are actually 13 weeks. And a full assessment is very, very critical, because I mean, you'll find somebody who's 13 weeks, or let's say 23 weeks, and they are not qualifying for the abortion because they will die. Yeah. So with the back streets, unfortunately, I mean, they don't care. They just want money. And then they'll tell you it's 600 rand. They'll meet you behind checkers and then give you pills and then just leave you like that. Yeah, so we have a problem getting back streets. And I mean, the other sad thing is, if a girl wants to terminate and I tell her, "Oh, it's 2,000 rand," Backstreet will charge you 600. So Backstreet will just tell you, no, my sister, it's just 300 rand, and 300 rand, you did not do an ultrasound. This person will call and then they'll tell you, I was at the doctor yesterday, they said I'm 30 weeks. Like, I mean, what?
Mm, mm.
It's terrifying, but we come across those. Yeah, I'm just a bold character, hey? Like, I think I'm just a bold character. But like I said, so when you start at Mary Stopes, you need to interview yourself. So Mina, I had to start with my spouse. I had to interview my husband. Or, how do you feel about it? And he was like, Boana, if you think it's something you can do, then go ahead. And then I interviewed my parents, my uncles. And then I was like, well, you know what? My family was in full support. My friends were like, Miguel, you've got the qualification, run with it. Yeah. So I think that's what made it easy for me.